Hey yo, what's good YouTube? This is Wolf of Akagi here. We've got another video, part 2 of Saturday. We're out here in the city of Buena Park, California. I know it's a little hard to tell, but down there's Knott's Berry Farm, so we're a little bit down the street. We're out here at the Big Bang Meats, Tuner Nights car meet. This thing's actually pretty big. I'm really impressed. But yeah, let's go and check out what we got. Lots of stuff here. I'm gonna try to transition between filming for you guys and also taking pictures. With that being said, please check out my Instagram. I do have a ton of pics I do take. You know, it's just me kind of learning how to do better video in the end. So hopefully one day I'll get you guys some even better content. So let's go walk around, see what we got. There's tons of stuff here. I'm pretty excited myself. I was just gonna stay home, but I'm really glad I did not. A lot of activity out here. Without further ado, guys, so we'll go and walk around. Hey yo, what's up guys? Sorry for the interruption. We just got moved out to Anaheim, the Anaheim Plaza. We're out here, I think Wednesday or Tuesday, I believe. But yeah, let's go walk around. We just got repositioned, so let's see what we got. Not sure if I'm gonna have any breaks going on just because it's short on time, so we'll keep a lookout here. Damn. And I'm probably gonna start this way. GR86.
It's like when I do it, you can feel it. Yeah. Sorry, I should have brought my light, so.
your finger over the lettering of the yeah, still have the boss. You want to finger it? Yeah, so like I focus on quality, guys. I don't want you coming back to me and saying that I'm not gonna try and muddy my name, you know?
Everybody's starting to head out. Probably should be too. pretty much it. Everyone else is like taking off. We're just doing donuts over there apparently. Which means cops should be on their way. Unfortunately, it just is is what it is sometimes. Alright guys, well I'm signing off for here tonight. I gotta wake up early and do another video tomorrow. Without further ado guys, well, good night, like and subscribe. Peace.